is SteamPunk LabOratory. I'm going to show you around a few projects that I'm doing. Kind of celebrating my 1-year anniversary having the laboratory here. This window right here, I'm going to put a gear assembly. As the gears turn, the whole assembly will rock back and forth. Here's my main workbench. You remember the gear wall from the video. Here's the pieces and parts from the Mad Max Fuel Pirate. Where I changed this power wagon into the Fuel Pirate. We're going to work on that in just a little bit. Let's turn on the gear wall. You all remember how this works with the magnetic switches. Turning on lights. Ringing a bell, a beeper. Got some models up here. I'll show you those with the white light in just a little bit. Here's my computer setup. These are music computers. This is my graphics computer. And this is a computer for correspondence and gathering file and research. Show you some of these models. Music area where I do some sound recordings, songs. So I was working with this beautiful power wagon. Let me show you what I have in mind. Now these tires are too wide. They're going to hit the shocks. So we have to add some hub spacers. That really changed the look of it. Been working on these tubes. Got a motion sensor here. Also flickering blue light. standard motor here that I'm working with. Variable speed. Gonna add that to the SteamPunk wall in some form. Also working on this top end to the blown motor.
So I've been a maker of models, gadgets, art projects, and music ever since I was about 10. I had some awesome art teachers, a lot of encouragement, a lot of support. And I want to thank all of you for your support and encouragement. I invite you to stay tuned. I've got more mad scientist projects, animation, music videos, and some custom creations, like this one. I'll show you what this is for and how it works. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you for part 2 of the LabOratory tour.